Hello guys and welcome back. This time I have an update after a long time for my Ethereum Flash Loan bot, what now will also loan different alt tokens as well, what generates even more profits. It was now out for testing almost a month and the results were pretty amazing even in this bearish market times. So let's start with the first step to download metamask. And from now on it only works with metamask, and also often became the question if it works on your mobile phone as well. This bot only works on Windows, Linux and Mac OS, on this supported browsers you see right here. I recommend you to use Google Chrome, what I use also in this case as well. So after the installation, just follow the process to create your MetaMask wallet. When you finish this process, open Remix. You will find this link in the video description as well. Head over to deploy and run transaction. Click here on environment, inject BEP3, open your MetaMask application. Click here on connect. When you're connected, the green circle should appear and your wallet should be also shown in under account. Then we go back on File Explorer. Click here on create new file. In this case we call it TI Ether Loan. All we need to do now is to copy the code string in here. And when we've done that, we head over to compiler. And under compiler, we choose 0.5.0 plus commit. Here we go. And check the include 90 bytes. Then we hit the blue compiler button. Just wait a second until the compilement is finished. When the compilement is finished, you should also see on the contract TI Flashbots, and the green mark should also appear on the left side. Then we head back over to deploy and run transaction again. Click here on the drop down menu, token name, in this case I told it TI ETH, token symbol TI Ether, I call it now, and loan amount. This really depends. If you're under 1 Ether, so as an example, if you use the min amount, what is it for the spot 0.3 Ether, then you just leave it on 1000. If you're above 1 Ether, as an example, I use now 1.5 Ether, you make it like 1500 loan amount. So now we hit on transact, confirm this payment. And I give you guys now a quick breakdown of the code and explain you guys how the bot is able to also loan other alt tokens as well. This bot processes multiple loans at once. So basically you execute with this bot when you provide 0.3 Ether between 300 and 400 loans at once. When you provide more initial funds, this number grows exponentially. That's why we also and other people on the Discord often recommend people to start with loans to take at least 1 Ether to get much better results, because the bot takes also a percentage of this profit and generates even more flash loans with this, and looking for other opportunities as well. This is especially good if you want to use this bot as a passive income source. So as an example, if you let your bot run for a week or two, but no worries, the generated profits and also the initial funds you can withdraw afterwards as well. There's no loss. I will show you that later on as well. Now we come to the reason I updated this bot, because the bot is now able to swap also amount into DAI, and then it basically all other major ERC20 tokens as well. So it generates even more profit because the bot will find even more flash loan opportunities. If you have any other kind of question regarding the bot, just text me on Discord or just use the comments down below. Now we need to copy the contract and provide the initial funds to the actually flash loan bot. We are using, as I said earlier, in this case 1.5 Ethereum. Meanwhile, this payment is processing. The estimated gas fee on Ethereum are much higher, so you can expect just in gas 0.04 Ethereum, but because of high gas fees, there's less competition compared to the BNB Flash Loan version. If you want to start with lower budget, I suggest you to try out the BNB version. Anyways, the Ethereum version will generate you much higher returns, so I just suggest also people to try already the BNB version to test out the Ethereum version, because here we're talking about some serious return of investment. And also keep in mind, the min amount to target the mempool is 0.3 Ethereum, but as I already said, I suggest you to start with 1 Ether or at least 0.5 Ether, as I mentioned earlier, because the bot scales exponentially. So all we do now to start the bot is we head over here to the drop down menu, click action, other fees as well, and when you get the final confirmation, then a second green mark should appear down here, and your Flash Loan bot is actually running. So I just let my bot now run for 2 or 3 hours and show you the profit you can expect with 1.5 Ether in this case. And yeah, see you guys in 2 to 3 hours. Welcome back, guys. So let's check what we received after 3 hours. So after 3 hours I received 0.3485 Ethereum. What is really good results, but you can expect with that amount something between 0.05 to 0.1 Ethereum an hour. If you want to stop the bot and withdraw your initial funds, I did that already. Just hit the action button once again and your funds will be sent back to your wallet you deployed with. When you have any kind of question regarding the bot, you can just message me on Discord. Also, I want to say thank you to everyone who helped me out in the Discord and gave me some helpful input. The NFT bot had a minor bug, so it will be launched with a little delay, but we were already testing it, so stay tuned for that. This was everything. Hope you are getting good results from this update, Flash Loan bot, and see you guys in my next video.